January 1, they increased 14%, especially on the gold models. April 1, they increased another... Naiya ka pa. Wala kami competition. Madalas kami mag-collab ng mga competitors. Nakakain na nga din ako sa inyo. Naiya ako. Nagparinig si mo lang. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. You guys are here to trade. Tama? So you're trading this watch. Ilang watch? 1 or 2 lang? 1 lang. 1 lang. Ina-inset ko na 1 or 2 lang. Para sabihin 2 lang. Para sa inyo man. Mas gusto mo elegant? We have this. This is elegance kasi may touch of gold. So this is the Datejust 2. It's a 41mm ES. This is the first Datejust na 41mm na nilabas. Reference ito is 116333. If you were to pick top 2 mo, ano muna? Gusto mo talaga Datejust. Anyway, I would like to check your watch naman. You guys are trading. Azuro Blue. Let me check. Where did you get this from, man?
One-time piece.
One-time piece? Yeah, they're good friends of us. Naiya ka pa. Wala kami competition. Madalas kami mag-collab ng mga competitors.
Sila sa amin.
Kakain na nga din ako sa inyo. Naiya ako. Nagparinig sila daw eh. May mang inasal daw sila. May inasalan.
Yung inasal, lubaw.
Tara, parang wala naman tao ngayon. Pwede magsara. Anyway, let me just check. Naku po. Bakit daw ako may pito? Sabi ko syempre baka may foul play na mangyari. Yung bibig ng mga tao dito minsan pasmado eh. Dahil may tao pito eh. Pero at the same time, look din siya. How much do you guys wanna sell this? 700. Check mo kung meron pa tayo yung bago natin na darating na ganyan. Mas takip yung bago mo. They already increased 3 times. So January 1, they increased 14%, especially on the gold models. April 1, they increased another 7% when they released the new models. And then right now, they increased another 3%. Pataas ng pataas yung SRP nyo. Medyo malayo tayo, boss. For this one, I will be offer around plus 140. Get this for this. Plus 140. Yung gold kasi yung tumataas yun.
Kung di ka man ngayon.
Pag dito naman, mag-a-add kami ng around 110. May sukuli kang 110. For this one, the 116233 na 36mm, ka-add kami ng 110.
Kapag kaso mo lang fitted.
Yeah, you will get gently card. And for your peace of mind, eto complete with box and papers. Yeah. Then ma'am dyan, naka-diamonds ka.
Ito stick dial.
Gusto ko kasi ng itong
Jubilee. Ayaw mo ng oyster.
Ikaw ba, saan ang mas gusto mo sa dalawa?
Yan na, tumingin na sa salamin si madam.
Ito na lang. Here.
Yan na, done?
Done deal.
Done deal. Done. Thank you so much, sir. Maraming salamat. Done deal.
Tutulala ka, parang nga iba. Ano yung naisip mo?
Kung may tinubo ba ako? Ipa-check muna natin lahat.
So it's a verification process.
Yes.
100 and...
Ma'am, maraming salamat. Done deal. Kasi yung done deal, Rudy. Ma'am, na-try niyo na ba?
Yeah.
Boss, maraming salamat ha. Done deal.